Alright, so I'm going to do some inspection here on this CB joint. It's already been taken apart, cleaned up, but we're going to go ahead and take it back apart, show you how to inspect one. So this is already off the axle. This is from a 87 Volkswagen Vanagon. So we're going to start by taking it apart. So it's important to note that when you're looking at this, the narrow side of the inner race butts up against the wider side of the outer race. So we're going to go ahead and set this out, take all the roller balls out, and then take the cage. You have to turn this sideways and roll the inner race out of the cage. So we'll start by kind of inspecting this cage here because it's the easiest part to look over and make sure there's no cracks or damage in it. And let's try to make sure that it goes back the same way, because it doesn't matter on some of these on which way it faces. As you can see, this side has a bevel, this side does not. Same with this one. There are 3 ridges on this edge and smooth on this side. So this faces up, this faces up, this faces up. And we can see some wear inside here. Just probably enough to condemn this joint itself. But on this piece, the inner race, there's a visible crack right there. So that pretty much means that this is not reusable. But we'll go ahead and put it back together. Slide this in. It goes like that. We're going to put the wide side up, narrow side up, drop it back in. We usually got to put in like one at a time. Once you get to the last couple, it can be kind of tricky to get these to go back in place. There's not really a specific order in which they have to go back in. Ideally, you put them back in the same spot they came from, so their wear patterns are still there if you are reusing the components. There we go, all put back together.